Just use the pot lid and you never pay to clean your sofa again with this simple hack. That's right, everyone, after this tip, your sofa will never be the same again. And for this, the first thing you need is a container. Then let's add 1 cup of warm water. But it's not hot water, okay? It's just warm water. After that, we're going to add dish soap. Here I'm using this one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. And for this, we're going to add just 2 tablespoons of dish soap. All right, now we're also going to use baking soda. So go ahead and add just 1 tablespoon. Then let's also add some alcohol. I'm using 70 alcohol, but you can use whatever you have at home. Let's add here 1 tablespoon. And to finish as an option, I'll add half a cup of fabric softener. But this one is totally optional. And now just mix everything very well. Cool! After this, here's what we're gonna do. First, you need a clean cloth, all right? Then go ahead and dampen the cloth in the mixture we just made. However, we're not going to leave it soaking wet, folks. Make sure it's just a slightly damp, okay? All right, now, let's spread it open over the sofa. And then here's the big secret, everyone. You're gonna need a pot lid, all right. Then go ahead and place it over the cloth. And then tie it like so. First, let's tie here. And then again here. And it will look like this. And as you can see, my sofa doesn't seem dirty. There isn't any type of stains on it. But with this hack we just made, we're able to remove the dirt we cannot see, which is the infamous dust mite. And that's why many times when you're just chilling on your sofa and then you start sneezing, getting allergies, or even nitching, all because of this dust mine or the dirt we cannot see. So go ahead and do the following motion and start scrubbing it all over your sofa. And check this out, folks. Not even 2 minutes of scrubbing it. And look how much dirt and dust mites have already come out of the sofa. That's really good. So that's it, folks. I've finished the process, and now let's take a look at this cloth. And look at this, folks. Look how much dust and mites we will breathe here on the sofa. This is really awesome. Both the adaptation and the mixture are pretty good, because besides cleaning, it also leaves a very nice fabric softener smell. And you can repeat this process at least once a month, because for sure you'll keep your sofa always clean.